goodness, son. Jeez.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Where do we begin? Well, that's an easy question to answer. Car is filthy. Let's wash it.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
What are those?
Alright guys, car is washed, looking a lot better, but I think it could look even better than better. 𝘈𝘴𝘃 Detailing sent me an email saying, hey, we want you to review our product. And at first I was like, well, but then I was like, you know what, but this is the real deal, I want you guys to know about it. Apparently, it can last up to 6 months, repels dirt, water, which is great. A lot of waxes like to attract dirt from my personal experience. Also supposed to give the car that new car shine, so apply it. Kind of buff it in. It applies really easily, I'm not gonna lie. I've used a lot of ceramic coatings before, kind of stubborn to buff in, but this product seems to lay very nice. I just want to say this is not a paid promotion. Someone just sent me out this bottle, said, hey, review our product, so I'm not gonna pass that up, and I gotta say, I like it. I'll definitely be getting more of this stuff in the future as it works really nice and it's already making the car look better. Highly recommend it. Car is now cleaned, and A, there's some things that I want to know, and B, I need to get a video out. So we're going to be doing something today. I got to data log the car to kind of dial in the fueling for the E85. But while I'm doing that, I decided to bring the Dragy along with me and get another 60 to 130 to compare to my previous 60 to 130. to see if E85 and the increased power made a difference. The car is currently at 78% flex fuel right now, which is about as good as you're gonna get from the pump. So 78% flex fuel. The car probably demands about 17 to 18 degrees of timing max. So yeah. do is put this car on a dyno. Sorry guys. Sometimes you just need to know when to quit. And just now, I had a Mexican police officer pass me. If I did not cut out when I did, I'd be a little afraid. I can't see out the windshield. I can't. We're like sitting here waiting for the rain to subside. I can't see.
It's kind of letting out a little bit. You probably go.
Only because we stopped.